Hey beauties, it is your favorite girl that's wearing a turban, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, I'm doing this look. I wanted to do something colorful but simple. I don't think there's anything special about it, but I did want to show you guys how I did this look. This is purple on my lid, is so bomb. Before I get into this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I am on a new schedule for videos. I will be posting 3 times a week. Yes, I said 3 times a week. I will be posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Times. I did ask you guys what days you thought was best. I said Fridays was dead set on, that I would always upload on Fridays. What other days that you guys wanted? Most of you guys voted for Monday and Wednesday. I asked you guys also what kind of videos you wanted. Most of you guys said mukbangs and Q&As, but for Q&As, you guys never participate. You guys will like and you guys will wait for someone else to ask a question. But if nobody participates in Q&As from this time going on, I will no longer do Q&As. It makes no sense for me to do it if nobody's participating. Anyway, before we get into this full face tutorial, I want to shout out my gang. You guys are amazing, and that's what you guys are all the time. And it seems like it's always the same people, so you guys are even more amazing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and enjoy. So I am starting off with absolutely nothing on my face but some moisturizer, and I just moisturized my lips because it was a little crusty. So I am moving on to my base, which is my face. So I'm just going to be priming first, and I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer, and this is the mattifying one. So I'm going to be using this NYX pore filler to fill my pores, make sure that my base is even. Listen, don't mind all of this, okay? I'm trying to lay down my edges so that when I put my turban on, I'm looking like everything. So I'm going to color correct these dark circles and all these dark marks. And I'm using my Smashbox color correcting stick. And this is in a Lookless Tide Dark. I'm gonna move on to foundation, and for foundation today I'm using my fave. If you guys don't know yet, I really love NARS foundations, and this one is the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and I'm using the color Macao. Today I'm trying, well, not trying, I've used it before. Today I'm using a different sponge. I've been trying out different sponges. I really like that pink elf sponge that they have, so I've been using that, and this one is the Morphe sponge. I'm going to use that to apply my foundation today. For concealer today, I'm using my Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. This one is in tan. I really like the concealer, but just like you guys said in the comments that it runs out pretty quick, it's true. So this is just something that I just might be spending on a lot of money on, because I really do like the concealer, like I do. Usually I would do my contour and then blend out my concealer, but because I have this fan directly on me, that means that the concealer is going to get tacky faster or dry down faster, so I have to blend it out before I blend out my contour. Alright, so for contour, I'm using this black Opal foundation stick. It's literally empty, but I keep using it because I'm trying to get all of it before I throw it out. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. small stippling brush just to apply it. Just taking my sponge to help blend this together. Honestly, the only thing about this sponge, if you're used to a beauty blender, so this is going to feel a little rough, but it does blend everything like really nicely. To set everything in place, I'll be using my Beauty Bakerie flour powder in yellow. Like always, I'm using my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish to set my face. Just using a number 103 brush from e.l.f. to set my face in place with the powder. Just gonna follow with my number 79 brush from Sephora, and I'm just gonna go in with that same powder and I'm going to dust everything away. So now that my base is on halfway, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows and one eye off camera. I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I achieved that eye. So this is the eye that I got. I wanted something, you know, cute, colorful, simple. So yeah, this is what I got. Pretty achievable, I think. Yeah, so let's move on to the other eye. Start off with my Louise base. This is in Rumour 3. I'm going to use this to prime my eyes. Just going to tap this in. I'm going to pack on a little at a time until my lid is actually blanked out. Alright, so now that the base is on, I'm going to go into my covershot bold eye palette from Smashbox, and I'm just going to blend the red shade into my crease, and I'm going to pack that shade on. To blend that in, I'm using my R38 from Morphe, and now I'm going to go in with my M433 from Morphe, and I'm going to go into the orange shade in the palette. I'm just going to take that and blend the edges of the red eyeshadow out. To get that purple in my crease, I'm actually going to go in with the blue eyeshadow in the palette, and I'm going to use my M514 from Morphe. Go back in with the red and just make sense of this whole blending thing. I'm holding the brush at an angle instead of going directly in so that the edges are more blown out. Sorry if it was super loud. I didn't realize my fan was on high. I'm just gonna go back in with my M433 just to blend that area a bit. Alright, so I'm just gonna take more of that base on the same brush, and I'm not cutting out my crease really. I'm just applying the product on my lid and just blending it out, and I'm gonna wing it a little bit. I'm gonna pick up the same brush and some of that purple. I'm just gonna blend around the sides of the base. I don't want any harsh lines at all. I'm using the same M514. For that purple shade on the lid, I went into my 35B palette, and I went into this cute purple shade. Of course, it's at the bottom of the screen. Just gonna go back into the purple and blue, and I'm just blending in that crease area. Just gonna quickly apply a winged liner. I'm using my matte liquid liner from NYX in order to achieve this. I'm gonna use my full spectrum gel liner from Geek to line my waterline, and this is in cobalt, which is blue. Just gonna follow with the blue eyeshadow in the covershot bold eye palette just to set that in place, because this pencil actually moves. And I'm going to take my C433 from Crown Brush, and I'm just going to apply some blue eyeshadow right underneath that. So mascara, I'm actually going to mess around. Well, I layered 3. I'm going to mess around with this package that I got from CoverGirl. So they sent me like the new Lash Blast mascara along with the primer. First, I'm going to apply the primer to my bottom lashes. While that's drying, I'm going to apply my Scuba mascara to my top lashes and blend my falsies. Now I'm just going to apply it to my bottom lashes as well. Now for the inner corner highlight, I actually mixed two shadows because I don't know. So I went into the 35B palette and I went into my favorite shadow in the palette, which is that blue shimmery shadow. Then I went over that with my favorite Makeup Geek shadow, which is Fortune Teller. Alright, so just gonna quickly bronze up my face, which I am using my Rumour powder for my Rumour powder in Antique Brown. I'm gonna go into my Makeup Geek contour powder just a bit and just snatch my cheeks a little bit, even though the bronzer kind of did it for me. Just gonna blend that together. I don't want my face to be crazy harsh because my eyeshadow is a little extra. So I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter from LA Girl. This is a strobe light strobing powder in 20 watt, and I'm also going to mix my Laura Geller Gilded Honey with it. I've not used this in a while. I use this NYX lip pencil. This is just a regular one, and this is in the color Toast. Alright, so I'm gonna use a Blinkity. You guys know I love this lipstick from MAC. It's falling apart, so I gotta use a brush to apply it. Also gonna layer glosses. I'm out of this one, literally out of it, but I'm gonna use it anyway. This is the Winky Luxe Gloss in Romeo and Juliet. Just topping it off with my matte clear gloss just so that I could get the super high shine lip. And here is your finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, I will be posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys want any other videos other than story time, if you guys want any other specific videos, let me know in the comments down below. If it is Q&As and girl talk and stuff like that, again, you guys have to participate in order for those videos to happen. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. And I will see you guys in my next video.